Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will be studying another letter of Arabic alphabet that is called Daad. Okay, how to pronounce it? It is Daad, Daad, and the sound is D. Or if you connect another letter with it, that would make more sense. Al. So the second part of al is the sound of Daad. Al, al. So what is its articulation point? It is one of the tongue letters, and it is pronounced from one or both edges of the tongue, and when it's touching the upper molars. Okay, so that is one or both sides of the tongue. Okay, you can see here as well. And when those parts touching the upper molars, okay, that causes the sound of Daad. Similarly here, this diagram and the teeth here. Okay, let me explain. Let me go to the 3D model and explain it there. Okay. So we have one or two sides of the tongue, okay, and they are touching the top molars. Okay, so that's the articulation point for the letter Daad or Ad, the sound Ad, the second part of Ad. Going back to the slides. Okay. So is it a heavy or light letter? It is one of the heavy letters. When we are pronouncing it, then we don't make the facial expression as if we're going to smile, or our mouth or the lips doesn't remain flat. For example, Daad, Daad. Or if we see the sound Ad, the second part, Ad, Ad. Is it a connector or non-connector? It is one of the connectors, because if you see its connecting forms, then you can see that it can be connected from other letters can be connected after it if it comes in the beginning of a word. Okay, if it comes in the middle of a word, then you can connect other letters with it before it or after it, and if it is at the end of the word, then you can connect other letters with it before it. So because you can connect all these four, that is the property of a connecting letter, a connector. Okay, so how it is written? It is written, let me read it through and write it down. But it is written by beginning the loop at the lower left from slightly below the line, moving up and to the right, then circling down and back around to the left, creating a pearl or teardrop. So let me explain that here. So we start here, up, round, back to the left, and then at the end we include a large circular U. Okay, and then one dot above it. One dot above it. Okay, that's how it is written. And if we want to write other forms, you see the first part is on the top of the line and the other one is under the line. So other forms would be, if it comes in the beginning of a word, looks like this. If it is in the middle, here, and if it comes at the end, okay. So can we connect it? Can we connect them? Yes, we can. It's connect because they are connectors. One of the connectors, so we can So that's how we write it. It does not have English equivalent. The sound for Ba'd does not have it in English. And for transliteration purposes, we will be using D underscore, because we have already used the D sound for Dal, so we will be using D underscore. And this is the end of this session. For next session, we will be reading only, no explanation, and the third line once, and then after that, the following session would be 10 times the same line, just to give you enough practice to become a master in it. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.